So at temperature T, would just sink in benzene only when density of wood at T, density of benzene at T so density of wood at T, you know dt d0 equal to dt into 1 plus gamma T, right? dt equal to d0 by 1 plus gamma wood T. T benzene at 0. 1 plus gamma benzene at T. Enough? टेम्परेचर फाइंड आउट करना 0 0 निकालो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो क्या 88 गामा बेंजीन T correct plus 88 equal to 90 plus 90 gamma wood into T 90 minus 88 2 T into what 88 gamma B minus 90 gamma wood, right? So T equals to 2 by how much? 88 gamma benzene minus 90 gamma wood. 2 cancel करो 44 45 44 gamma benzene 1.5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 minus 45 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 correct 1.2 into so 10 to the power of minus 3 ऊपर लेके जाओ क्या होता प्लस 3 हो जाता 44 into 1.5 into 3 by 2 2 22 66 minus a 12 into 45 12 6 54 point 54 the 1000 by कितना है 12 correct 4 3s are 4 250 250 divided by 3 yeah 3 8s are 24 10
83.4
83.4 something 0.3 or something 83 right
sir.
Next. Question number 26. Question number 26. Glass bulb of volume 50 cc is completely filled with mercury 20. The temperature of system rises to 100. Okay, volume. Now, gamma apparent equal to volume overflow by original volume into change in temperature. गामा apparent क्या है? Real expansion कितना दिया हमने? 18 into 10 to the power of -5. This is 0.9 into 10 to the power of alpha. Alpha means gamma कितना रहता? 27 नहीं? 2.7 into 10 to the power of delta V by initial volume 250. What is the rise in temperature? 20 and 100. 80. Correct? So 18 minus 2, 16, 15.3. Into 10 to the power of -5 delta by 25 fours are 100, 25 eights are 200, 0, 0. Correct? So 15.3 into 2, 30.6. Correct? 4 zeros. 8.1. So 3.06, huh? Yeah. Right? (25) Density of liquid at 0 is 13.6 gram per cc, and its quotient of linear real expansion gamma real is 18 into 10 to the power of -5. If temperature increases to 200, okay, percentage change in the density. कैसा? So dt, percentage change in the density. Density has increased the temperature, dt minus d0. This is change by d0. This is original fractional change into 100. So right? So and you know that what is d0 is dt into 1 plus gamma. The dt by d0 into 1 by 1 plus gamma. So this is 1 by 1 plus gamma t. minus 1 into 100. Right? It is 1 minus 1 right? So minus gamma t by 1 plus into 100. Calculation कितना गामा कितना दिया है 18 into 10 to the power of minus 5 into 100 AB 100 by 1 plus 18 into 10 to the power of into 100. So this is 1.8 by 1 plus 0.018. There. Minus 1.8 by 018. Calculation करना कर सकते हैं correct? Oh, increase it to 200 बोला रे, not 100. 200. So delta T is 200. ये 3.6 होता ये 0.36 होता right? So क्या करना 36 by 1.036. कैलकुलेशन कर कितना होता देखो 24. Coefficient of real expansion of mercury.
Sir,
Ah,
sir, why did we take dt minus d naught, sir?
you are increasing temperature, no? So final minus initial. We get minus, but in the answer minus is not given. This minus indicates decrease.
Yes.
Correct? Actually, D0 more, dt is less. Correct? Always you have to take dt minus d0, you know. D0, okay, more compared to dt. That does not mean that you must take d0 minus dt. Okay. A coefficient of real expansion of mercury is here. Density at 0 diya. Is asking density at 573. So d0 equal to dt into 1 plus gamma t. This d0 is asking dt. Gamma कितना 18 10 to the power of minus 5. Increase in temperature कितना 573 Kelvin रहा 573 Kelvin అంటే कितना T equal to 573 minus 273 कितना 300 हाँ
Yes.
Sir, 300.
300 आप कैलकुलेट करना आप 2000 देखो so how much you'll get 13.6 dt This is 2 zeros, this is cancelled. 1 plus 18 into 10. 18 threes are 54, right? So dt is 1 plus 0.054. So dt कितना रहता 13.6 by 1.0. You have to calculate, right? Next question. Next क्या है 23rd, right? A vessel contains liquid filled with 1/10 of its volume. So VL, volume of liquid equal to 1/10 of volume of the what vessel. Another vessel contains same liquid up to 1/8. V by 8, okay. In both case, volume of empty space remains constant at all temperature. So empty space, whenever to have same empty space, what is the formula, do you know? For same empty space, what is that? VL by V equal to gamma by gamma liquid, correct? Is a condition. Okay. क्या बोला उन्होंने? In both cases, remains constant. Ratio of quotient of linear expansion of the results. So ये VL by V क्या होता है इधर? 1/10, but VL by V is gamma vessel A by gamma ratio. Liquid is same बोला. इधर VL by V 1/8 होता. VL by V formula क्या है? Gamma B. Vessel is different, but liquid is same. देख रहे ना ऐसा कर रहे? So, gamma A by gamma B is gamma L by 10. This is gamma L by 8. 8 by 10. 4 by 5. This is 3 alpha A, 3 alpha B, 4 by 4. Therefore, alpha A by alpha B is 4 by 4. Right? Huh? Next 22.
हो गया सर.
22 हो गया.
यस सर.
दो ही प्रॉब्लम हो, वही कर लेते. साथ दो नहीं करा बोले को कहीं को टेंशन नहीं. बैड नेम आता. पूरा करके दो ही छोड़ना बैड नेम. 22. Volume of mercury in the bulb of thermometer is 10 to the power of -6. A. Area of cross section of capillary tube is 2 into 10 to the power of -7. Temperature raised by 100. Length of the mercury column. So delta V, volume expansion of liquid, is what? Area of cross section into height. This is V gamma delta T. correct? So क्या पूछ रहे? height पूछ रहे. V gamma delta T by E. So height equal to V क्या है? 10 to the power of -6. Gamma कितना दिया? 18 into 10 to the power of -5. Right? By into delta T कितना दिया? 100. Area of cross section 2 into 10 to the power of -7. और क्या होना? Multiply a -4 a -2 रहता. 2 9 9 into 10 to the power of -2 meter, 9 centimeter. Correct? Maybe say 21. Volume expansion of liquid is area into height. This is V gamma delta. So volume कितना? 2 cc. Gamma is asking. You are increasing temperature 100. Area of cross section pi r square into height 35 centimeter. Correct? He has given diameter as 0.02. So radius कितना? 0.01. So 10 to the power of -2 centimeter. लो मार दो कितना होता? कम है 200. 5 means 22/7. Radius कितना? Square. కరెక్టేనా 7
5
5 2 11 200 okay 5 the
20
20 gamma is 11 into 10 to the power of minus 5 gamma is 11 by 2 10 to the power of minus 5 correct
Yes, sir.
11 by 2 कितना 5
5.5.
है ना सो उसमें लगा दिया 55
Minus.
correct
Yes, sir.
so exercise 3 पूरा कर दिया नहीं
Yes.
Exercise to
बुक निकालो
so you are studying the exercise to participate.
मेडिकल सीट होना नहीं होना एक ही बात मेडिकल सीट होना एंजॉय करना है क्या कि सर एंजॉय करेंगे सब लोग एंजॉय हम लोग एंजॉय करेंगे 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 नहीं सर ऐसा नहीं करना अच्छा रैंक मारना
Sir,
बंदी
sir, exercise 4, I have a doubt, sir.
अब्बा एकदम 4 के पिना 4 చేసిందా
Yes, sir.
వెరీ గుడ్
Question number 14, sir, exercise 4.
ఓకే ఓకే చేద్దాం దీంట్లో ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 2 లా వాళ్ళ వర్క్ బుక్ ఉంది కదా దీనిలో మంచి క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నాయి వాడు అడుగుతారు ఎగ్జామ్ లా అర్థమైందా క్వశ్చన్స్ ఏవి తెలుసా చూడు expansion of liquids లో క్వశ్చన్ నంబర్ 21 23 ఈ ఎగ్జామ్ లో ఉన్నాయి ఆల్రెడీ అర్థమైందా
Page number, sir.
మళ్ళా సార్ మాకు చెప్పలేదంటే అది పరిచయం చూడు తీయండి వర్క్ బుక్ తీయండి అందరు ఉందా వర్క్ బుక్ ఉందా పడేసిందా ఉందా తీ ఎలైట్ వాళ్ళని బీట్ చేయాలి చూస్తా కదా పేజ్ నంబర్ ఎక్స్పాన్షన్ ఆఫ్ లిక్విడ్స్ లెవెల్ 2 క్వశ్చన్ పేజ్ నంబర్ 27 327 కనబడుతుందా ఇంట్లోనే ఉన్నారు కదా ఉన్నాయా బుక్స్ రే
Yes, sir.
తీ ఏం చేస్తుంది ఇంతసేపు మీరు నాలాగా టీ తాగుతుండే
No,
తీసారా ఇంతసేపు ఏందిరా
yes, sir.
తీ చూడు పేజ్ నంబర్ 27 కనబడుతుందా
Yes, sir.
27 23rd problem. Back to front approach. 23rd. Page number 27.
Yes, sir.
మనం ఎంకరేజ్ చేసుకోవాలి, ఎప్పుడు రాడు. కమాన్ అనుకోవాలి మనమే. A vessel of volume V is filled. ఇగో ఇది vessel of volume V filled with a liquid of density 2D. Liquid of density 2D అంట. Half filled. Density 2D. Coefficient of apparent expansion is X. And other filled, another liquid of density D. Coefficient of apparent expansion is 2x. Right? Temperature rises to 2 degrees. What is the mass of the liquid expelled? So when you increase the temperature, it comes out like this. Total volume expand. This will be, it expands as well as, kada? Rendu expand ayite kada, rendu liquids kada.
Yes, sir.
Delta V. Exam lo marku takkuva inti kochi kodtakkandi. Chudandi jagrata em poliyaddu. Delta V equal to V1 gamma 1 delta T. This is V2 gamma 2 delta T. V1 is the half filled kada. V1 ఇది V/2, ఇది కూడా V2, ఇది కూడా V/2. ఓకే, డెల్టా T. ఇది గామా 1 ఎంత ఇచ్చాడు, దీన్ని X. రెండిటి టెంపరేచర్ ఇంక్రీజ్డ్ బై 2 degrees. ఓకే, this is 2 degrees plus ఇది V/2. ఇది 2x. ఇది 2 degrees. ఎంత అవుతారా? 2 cancel. ఎంత Vx plus 2Vx, 5Vx. ఇది డెల్టా V. అంతేనా?
3Vx.
కరెక్టేనా మనం రాసింది?
Sir, 3Vx, sir. Vx plus.
3 కదా?
Yes, sir.
3Vx. So what is the mass expelled? Which mass will come out? ఏ మాస్ బయటకు వస్తుంది? ఈ మాస్ వస్తుందా, ఇది వస్తుందా? ఇది వస్తుంది.
First one.
The density, this is lighter. It top లో ఉంటుంది. It will come out. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So total volume expansion into density. Which liquid comes out? This. ఎంత? 3Vxd. అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir.
పోనీయద్దు, సంపేస్తా, ఇంటికి వచ్చి కొడుకోండి. చదువుకోవాలి, చదువు నడుస్తున్నారు దేని దానికే.
Sir, 20 वाला करते.
20 वाला, फर्स्ट वाला 20 ऊपर है. चलो ठीक है.
Level 2 का sir.
Level 2 का 20. Cylindrical tube of length 100 contains some mercury inside. If length of air column remains constant all temperature, height of mercury. So what is that? This is empty space is constant. No? For constant empty space क्या है? VL by V equal to gamma by gamma L. This is a condition. No? So VL means area of cross section into height of liquid. Area of cross section into height of the tube. Gamma glass 2.7 into 10 to the power of -5. gamma L 18 into 10 to the power of minus 5. कितना 9 2s are 9, 3s are 3 by 20. So क्या पूछ रहे हो ना? Height of mercury 3 by 20 into total height of cylinder. Total height of cylinder is 100. 25 is ना 15 centimeter. समझ गया ना?
Yes, sir.
मतलब
तो-
ये हाँ
10 to the power of -7 है.
-7
टू इंटू
हाँ
कौन सा क्वेश्चन करे सर आप?
आप भी बोले ना 20th क्वेश्चन ये वाला एक्सपांशन ऑफ लिक्विड्स लेवल 2 20th
हाँ सर.
ये करा मैं अभी ये करा ये भी कर रहा हूँ एग्जाम में आए थे
Sir, the top problem is 22nd one, sir.
20
Second one, sir. You wrote 23. It's 22.
you want 22
Sir, the first question which you did is 22nd
सर
question.
वो ऊपर वाला लिखे ना वो 22 है वो.
अच्छा ये नंबर देख रहे हैं
Yes, sir.
वाह ये 23 करेक्ट है ना
वो 22 है, sir.
ये 20 है मेरा बुक में देखो मेरा
सर
बुक में
हमारे को अलग है इधर.
23 ये 20 है हाँ तुम्हारा बुक में क्या है ये 22 है
Yes, sir.
हाँ सर.
ओके ये 20 है
हाँ सर. नहीं सर वो 19 है.
हाँ
That one is 19th question.
19 है सर.
ये 19 हाँ
यस सर.
Yes.
सर. सर वो 20 वाला हमारे बुक का 20 वाला करो.
आपका बुक में 21 करूं
हाँ
Yes.
when a block of iron floats in a mercury वो वाला.
हाँ वो करूं
हाँ सर.
ठीक है रिवीजन में कैसा रहना कंजूस रहना नंबर 1 कंट्री रहना तब आपको मेडिसिन आता अब छोड़ना मत पकड़ना जोर से आपका बुक में क्या है वो ब्लॉक ऑफ आयरन
हाँ सर.
कौन सा नंबर है
20.
Yes, sir.
20 क्वेश्चन नंबर 20 कर रहा हूं
Yes.
When a block of iron floats in a mercury, this is block of iron. It is floating in a mercury. ध्यान से सुनो मन में क्या रहना हम लोग अब रैंक मारना मेडिसिन के ट्राई नहीं करना रैंक के लिए ट्राई करना समझ गया ना तब मेडिसिन आता सो ये ब्लॉक इज फ्लोटिंग इन द लिक्विड ये नीचे क्या है वेट ऑफ द आयरन ऊपर क्या है बायंसी इट इज फ्लोटिंग फ्लोटिंग में क्या होता अपवर्ड फोर्स इज बैलेंस्ड बाय वेट अपवर्ड क्या है दिस इज वॉल्यूम इनसाइड this into density of liquid into g volume into density of the body into g so v in by v is d by dl this is fraction समझ गए ना so ये fraction क्या दिया k1 दिया k1 at what temperature दिया 60 so d60 by dl60 और जीरो नेक्स्ट K2 क्या दिया 60 डिग्री समझ गया ना उन्होंने पूछ रहे K1 by K2 पूछ रहे ठीक है K1 by K2 क्या होता D0 by DL0 DL60 by
this.
देख कैसा लिख रहा हूं मैं अब क्या होता है K1 by K2 D0 का फॉर्मूला क्या है D60 into 1 plus gamma सॉलिड क्या है आयरन into T okay by DL0 क्या है DL0 is DL60 1 plus gamma mercury ये DL60 इधर है देखो ये D60 इधर है so K1 by K2 equal to 1 plus 60 gamma iron 1 plus 60 gamma mercury
Okay.
right
Yes, sir.
देखता हूं ना छोड़ना मत एक प्रॉब्लम भी घर आके मार देता हूं देखो देखो हाँ नेक्स्ट quotient of real expansion of liquid 1 by 5500 कौन सा नंबर है ये
21, sir.
21 हाँ
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
वो भी करो
Yes, sir. And 24 also.
इसमें 24 नहीं है हाँ है
A solid ball made up of ball.
या सॉलिड बॉल नहीं
Yes, sir.
ये 23rd आता vertical column 50 centimeter long
Yes, sir.
sir.
it's another liquid column
Yes, sir. That is 23 for us.
23
Yeah.
more problem
Done, sir.
formula क्या है H2 minus H1 by H1 T2 minus H2 T1 ऐसा बाद में लिखो लिखे तो क्या होता आप कर सकते बाद में छोड़ो बात आपका ब्रेन में हमेशा एलाइट पीपल याद आना रे वो लोग कैसा मारना कैसा मारना बोले तो मर्डर नहीं मार्क्स ज्यादा लाना समझ गया ना वो लोग आपको देखे तो डरना अरे क्या है रे सुपर 60 बच्चे ऐसा टेंशन बढ़ना वो लोग को 23rd is gamma real H 100 minus H50 H50 into 100 minus H100 into 50 correct okay you do it no he has given values
Yes, sir.
next 24 करो छोड़ो मत a solid ball made up of material having coefficient of volume expansion is this thing is immersed in liquid of quotient of volume expansion this percentage change in upthrust when temperature is percentage change in the upthrust so upthrust or upthrust 60 by upthrust 100 0 मेरे upthrust बोले तो क्या है वॉल्यूम into density of liquid का buoyancy no density of liquid where 60 degrees
Yes.
into G by this is volume of ball at 60. This is 0. Density of liquid at 0. G. समझ गया ना?
Yes, sir.
देखो VT volume of the body equal to VT equal to V0 into 1 plus gamma t na.
Yes.
V60 means V0 into 1 plus gamma 60. Correct? By this is V0 इसका. और DL0 क्या है? DL 60 into 1 plus gamma कौन सा लिक्विड है वो? Immersion liquid बोला बस. Gamma liquid into 60. है ना? This is DL60. समझ गया ना?
Yes, sir.
So 1 plus 60 gamma S, 1 plus 60 gamma L. ये डायरेक्ट लिख सकते हैं. Upthrust 60 by upthrust 0. कितना होता है 1 plus 60? हाँ. He wants percentage change पूछ रहे ना.
Yes, sir.
Change बोले तो up by 60 minus up minus by up at 0 into 100. Huh? So up 60 by up 0 minus 1 into 100. ये कितना होता? 1 plus 60 gamma SR by 1 plus 60 gamma L minus 1 into 100. समझ गया ना?
Okay.
So ये क्या होता? 1 plus 60 gamma S by 1 plus 60 gamma L into 100. So 60 gamma S by 1 plus gamma L into 100. कितना है? 60 gamma S कितना है? Solid ball 8 into 10 to the power of minus 6 by this is 13 into 10 to the power of minus 6 into 100. ये याद रखो हमेशा. Upthrust at temperature T by upthrust at 0 means 1 plus 60 T by 1 plus
Sir, but
1
final,
plus gamma T by 1 plus gamma LT.
sir, final temperature is 100, sir.
Huh?
Final temperature is 100.
100. Huh?
Increased by 100 degrees.
Increased by 100. Oh. Yeah, 100. So 100 डालना भाई. Okay. Okay, 100. So this is 100. 100. क्या होता अब? 8 into 10 to the power of minus 2, correct?
Yes, sir.
By 1 plus 13 into 10 to the power of minus 4, correct?
Yes.
0.0, okay?
8, sir.
0.08 by 1 plus 0.0013, correct?
Yes.
ऐसा आप ही एक बार पर्सनली करें तो वो ब्रेन में याद रहता. एग्जाम में सीधा प्रॉब्लम दिखे तो अब छोड़ देता, मैं बोलूं ना, आप करना. समझ गया ना?
Okay.
आप पहले ओलंपिक्स में जा रहे हैं, सीधा जाके पार्टिसिपेट करते क्या?
No, sir.
थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस करना, प्रैक्टिस करके एग्जाम लिखना. डोंट कंपेयर विथ यूजलेस चिल्ड्रन. एवरी बैच में थोड़ा बेकार लोग रहता. वो लोगों से कंपेयर मत करना, है ना। ऑलवेज कंपेयर विद द टॉप पीपल। वो लोग क्या, वो लोग खाना 3 टाइम खाना खा रहे, हमारे जैसे है, हमारे को मार्क्स कम आता, वो लोग को कहीं को आता, हम क्या कमी, ऐसे कंपेयर करना, समझ गया ना।
Okay.
हाँ, तब यू विल कम अप इन द लाइफ। कुछ वेस्ट सर बोले तो कोई हेल्प नहीं कर सकते आप, है ना। टाइम हो गया,
Done, sir.
हो गया टाइम अभी है,
Correct 9 है sir.
हो गया, नहीं हो गया।
Yes, sir.
चलो अब करो, छोड़ो मत। एक्सरसाइज 1 देखो एक बार, हाँ।
Yes.
Anomalous expansion of liquid density is highest at what?
4 degrees.
हाँ, वो देखो पूरा ग्राफ, वो पूरा एक्सरसाइज 1 मन में रहना,
हाँ सर,
हाँ।
थैंक यू सर, बाय सर।